Sheer Kurma recipe. 1 liter whole milk, 1/2 cup vermicelli thin noodles, 1/2 cup sugar, adjust to taste, 1/4 cup ghee clarified butter, 10 to 12 cashew nuts, chopped, 10 to 12 almonds, sliced, 10 to 12 pistachios, chopped, 1 tablespoon raisins, 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder, saffron strands optional, rose water optional. 1. Heat ghee in a deep pan or pot over medium heat. Add the chopped nuts, cashews, almonds, and pistachios and raisins. Fry until they turn golden brown. Remove and set aside. 2. In the same pan, add the vermicelli and roast until they turn golden brown and crisp. Remove and set aside. 3. In the same pan, pour the milk and bring it to a boil. Once it starts boiling, reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. 4. Add the roasted vermicelli to the simmering milk and cook until the vermicelli is soft and the milk thickens, about 5 to 7 minutes. 5. Add sugar, cardamom powder, and saffron strands if using. Stir well until the sugar is dissolved. 6. Finally, add the fried nuts and raisins to the sheer kurma. Stir well and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. 7. Turn off the heat and let the sheer kurma cool down for a few minutes. If desired, add a few drops of rose water for aroma. 8. Serve warm or chilled in bowls, garnished with additional chopped nuts and saffron strands if desired. Enjoy your homemade sheer kurma. I hope you like this recipe. If you like this recipe, so don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, plus don't forget to press the bell icon and on which recipe to make the next video. Please tell us in the comment section. Eid Mubarak from me to you all.